Okay, great scholars, let us consider changing liter to deciliter. Changing liter to deciliter. Liter to deciliter. You recall from our measurement, which is 10 milliliter make 1 centiliter, 10 centiliter make 1 deciliter, 10 deciliter make 1 liter, and 1000 liters make 1 kiloliter. You recall that 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter. 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter. It means that if you have 1 liter to be equal to 10 deciliter, then 2 liters will be equal to 2 times 10 deciliter. That will give you 20 deciliter. If you're changing liter to deciliter, you always multiply the number by 10. If you're changing liter to deciliter, always multiply the number by 10. If I want to write 3 liter in deciliter, I'll simply do 3 times 10, and that will give me 30 deciliter. And remember, in one of your classes, I've mentioned to you that if you're multiplying a number with a 10 number, just take the 0 you have and add to that number. For instance, if I'm multiplying 4 times 100, take these 2 zeros and add to 4, your answer is 400. 5 times 10, take this 0 and add to 5, your answer is 50. So don't overstress yourself. If I say multiply all the numbers in liters by 10 to help you have your deciliter. If you're asked to change 5 liter to deciliter, what you simply do is multiply 5 by 10. Your answer becomes 50 deciliters. That is your answer. 50 deciliters. You can write it in full. 50 deciliters. That is the answer. Whenever you're changing liters to deciliters, you are to multiply by 10. Whenever you're changing liters to deciliters, you are to multiply by 10. Then what if you're changing deciliter back to liters? Deciliter to liter. Remember, changing liter to deciliter, you multiply by 10. If you're changing deciliter back to liter, you divide by 10. You divide by 10. For example, 50 deciliter to liters. That will be solution. Simply divide 50 by 10. Divide 50 by 10. In this type of division, that the two numbers end with zeros. The 0 will cancel out the 0. So what you have is 5 over 1. And your answer is 5 liters. Your answer is 5 liters. If I ask to change 100 deciliter to liters, what will you do? Divide 100 deciliter by 10. 100 divided by 10. The two number ends with zeros. Cancel out the last zeros. Cancel the last zeros. This 0 will cancel this last 0. So you're left with 10 and 1. And your answer is 10 liters. That is your answer. If you're changing liters to deciliters, multiply by 10. If you're changing deciliter to liters, divide by 10. If you're changing liters to deciliter, always multiply by 10. If you're changing deciliter to liters, always divide by 10. Now, carefully do this. Do the following. 1. Change to liters. A, 500 deciliter. B, 20 deciliter. Number 2, change to deciliter. A, 7 liters. B, 15 liters. Change those numbers. A, I said change to liters. Change 500 deciliter to liters. Change 20 deciliters to liters. 2, I said change to deciliters. Change 7 liters to deciliters. Change 15 liters to deciliters. Remember I said if you're changing liters to deciliters, you are to multiply by 10. And if you're changing deciliters to liters, you are to divide by 10. So carefully do this work and forward your answers to me. See you in the next class. Thank you.